Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are checking out the DAX. Again, we are on the German 30 on the daily time frame, looking at a possible falling wedge, waiting for some bullish price action to occur so we can jump in and take this long position up to previous daily resistance. So let's get into it, shall we? What we can see is price has been slowly starting to meander out a little bit more horizontally than it was before the middle of June. We saw quite a steep drop, and now price is trending sort of sideways and slowly down. Now, if we cut off these wicks and do something like this, we can see that this clearly looks like a falling wedge. Price is getting tighter between the resistance and support levels. And at some point, I would be expecting a pattern like this to break to the upside. But how would I enter it? Well, I would wait for price to break out impulsively of this resistance zone, which covers these two wicks. These are the extremities of price, right? I would then wait for price to close above this, then retrace back and head down towards the top of this resistance. And that is when I would jump in and enter into a long position to take this pair all the way north, back to previous daily resistance, which was formed at around early June. So this would be my target. This would be my entry. But what would I need to see to confirm this? Look at the volume, right? Look at the volume from early June. We've seen nothing but bearish volume. We need to see a strong bullish bar of volume come out, right, to accompany this breakout. If we see that, that will confirm to me that bulls are regaining steam, right? Another bit of confluence, which I like to see, is the partial divergence we have on the histogram, right? The histogram is weakening, right? So even though price is trending lower, one low, two low, three lows, the price is becoming more wicky as well, right? And the bears are weakening here, which shows us this is another sign that the bulls could come and take control. Another sign is the fact that price has touched and is heading down towards previous daily support, which was formed back on the 7th of March. So you see all these factors that we have playing out together at the same time. This gives me confidence in the setup should it play out, right? And confidence in the setup is all we need. As long as it matches our list of rules and criteria that we write out for ourselves, then there is no reason not to take the entry. All right. Now, I'm going to put this support line back on the extremities of the wick. So it does look a little bit parallel, sort of like a flag. However, this wouldn't be classified as a flag because flags work in the opposite direction, right? So I'm just watching this histogram fade out from red, waiting to see some bullish price action. These MA lines look like they could begin to trail upwards and soon cross. The blue one crossing over the yellow one, which is another sign that we could see some bullish price action. And remember, guys, this is the daily time frame, so things can take a little bit of time to play out, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. If you're a swing trader like myself, it's a great way to practice patience. I do not scalp on the 1 minute or the 5 minute or the 15 minute. I know there are plenty guys that do, but I myself am purely a swing trader. Guys, just a quick thing. Please remember to support us on Patreon. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can get access to all of our exclusive content. We have live courses, we do live streams, we have breaking news. It's a lot of fun. Please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment in the comment section. We are really trying to grow this channel. We are on 66 subscribers as I am recording this. The channel has been growing fabulously over the past few months, and we would love just a little bit of that extra push to help get this channel really off the ground, because Forex-Stock-Predictions is such a great resource. Check out the website. The link is below in the description. we have a whole bunch of awesome, fantastic, profitable traders that post their analysis and their thoughts, right, on various setups throughout the day, every day. So if you want to follow a specific trader, if you like their style, if you like their setup, head over to Forex-Stock-Predictions.com. Check us out. It's a great resource and a fantastic tool for guys to learn from other traders, just to get into the mindset of someone who is already profitable and consistent, right? That's the dream. All right, guys. So like I said, this is the daily chart. So we are just waiting for this thing to turn green, for these lines to cross over, for some bullish volume to show up, for price to break up above this descending resistance line. Once we see all that, well, then it's go time. I will be waiting for a pullback and I will enter on the pullback, and I will definitely be posting about it. So check out that website. You can also follow us below on our social media profiles. And on that note, I am going to bid you all a fantastic Monday. Hope you all have a great day. I want to thank you all very much for watching, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.